I have a master's
Wow.
in criminology. I have a master's in sports medicine. But because I decided after I graduated that I wanted to serve my country and go to Afghanistan, I got the scars to prove.
Damn.
And get shot. And this is what the I get when I get back.
Damn, bro. Is there anything that you might need?
Socks.
Socks?
Socks and a t-shirt. Extra large for the shirt.
I'm gonna go into Ross really quick. I'm gonna get you a shirt and some socks. I'll be right out. Got you some socks. Got you a shirt.
Hey, this is my favorite.
Can I get your badge number? Can I get your badge number?
Who are you?
I'm just one of the people.
One of who?
One of the people.
One of who people?
So these are the county code enforcement. Do those guys ever mess with you guys?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. They just try to kick you off the property and shit like that?
Nah. They go way. They be trying to act like they the police.
No shit?
Yeah, that's why he fucked with me right now. Oh, can you please move your boat? Because when he pulled up, like I was over there, and me and my brother were sitting there in the sheriff's, and they fucked with everybody, and they came over with us, and they were like, "What are you guys doing?" We're just on our phones having a coffee, cigarette. Stop, take a break. They were like, "All right, get out of here." So I got up, boom. I pushed this over here. And that's when the dude that just got in, the big tall one.
Speaking of badges, I didn't get your badge number.
What's that?
I didn't get your badge number.
My badge number
Yeah.
is 111.
111.
He comes over here fucking with me. And the security guard that was here.
Dressed like a cop and shit.
Yeah.
How you doing, sir?
Your security?
Yes, sir.
Why the hell you dressed like a cop?
That's the way we dress. Good.
Yeah.
High profile over here.
Yeah.
A lot of issues, yeah.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah. But yeah, this is our uniforms.
No shit.
A lot of these companies are going armed guards now.
Armed guards, huh?
Yeah.
Because a lot of the homelessness.
They carry knives with them, machetes with them.
That's crazy.
Bear spray.
And we had to get down, but we shook hands, and he was like, "I don't mind you being up here." He
Word.
said, "But all the dope." I said, "All right, I'll make sure that it's just a couple of us here."
Right.
Not because I don't do dope. I drink, which is actually the worst fucking dope.
No
on the
shit,
market.
right? No shit.
I can go here, and get my dope. You gotta call somebody and wait till they deliver your
No
shit.
shit.
My,
Yeah.
I don't got you. I'm an alcoholic. My dope is the worst dope on the block. You combine all drugs, including fentanyl, cocaine, heroin. Alcohol kills more people on a daily basis than all other opioids, pills combined by triple. And it's legal, bro.
Yeah.
The only time I can't get my dope is between 2 and 6 in the morning. And if I'm not so fucked up by 2 that I can't sleep till 6 in the morning, then that's a real problem. Or at least by 2 that I didn't get my fucking 3:30, 4 o'clock to hold me over till the liquor store opens. So, but it's like, and then he comes over and he just said it. You were right here. I don't know if you saw it. The wheelchair was right there. Well, first I put it right there, and he was like, "You're still on ground. You're still. I can have the cop arrest you for trespassing." What?
And it's the tall one that was acting like that.
Yeah. So I put it on the curb.
Alright, you guys.
All right, guys.
Have a good day. Good meeting you, man.
Hey, here's my card, bro. Check me out on YouTube.
Okay, you have a good one, man.
You too, bro.
So then he tells me, "Oh, your wheelchair's blocking the sidewalk for people to walk on a public sidewalk. There's a violation. I can have you arrested." Like, oh,
Man, he could probably say all that without the threats and shit, right?
like, right? Hey, bro. Hey, bro. You knew that's what people walk because it's a code violation, so you don't get arrested.
Right.
Why you gotta fuck me? Oh, because I know my rights and my laws. See,
Yeah.
that's your bitch ass judgmental part. Excuse my language, bro.
It's all good.
But that's his bitch ass judgmental part because you look at me, you're homeless, you're a drug addict, you don't know nothing. Little do you know, I got a doctorate in neonatal
No shit.
care. I have a master's
Wow.
in criminology.
No shit.
I have a master's in sports medicine.
No shit.
But because I decided after I graduated that I wanted to serve my country and go to Afghanistan, I got the scars to prove
Damn.
and get shot. And this is what the fuck I get when I get back.
Damn, bro.
Bro, with those 3 degrees, any job, and then when I try to go get a job, and they run my name, you're too qualified. You're too qualified. You're too. And then when I go to a hospital or whatever, oh, you haven't worked in so long, we can hire you. Oh, you have PTSD.
Damn. You guys don't go anywhere. The meta glass is turned off because they only record up to 5 minutes. But I did offer to give them a couple bucks and more. Check this out. Here you go, bro. $3, man. Next brew's on me. Fuck it. I can't drink no more because I got really sick. But if I could, I'd fucking drink one with you, man. And I'm sorry you're going through this, bro. And thank you for your service and everything, man.
Look, I understand you guys they have a job to do.
Yeah.
But do it to the ones that deserve it.
Right.
The ones that are sitting out there just doing fentanyl. Hey, look like this or from
Right.
McDonald's. Okay, I get drunk. If I pass out, I'm gonna come to the bus stand. I'm gonna go sleep in the corner. And you won't even know I drink because I drink shots and my hand's big enough to cover it, so I can do. Even he looked down, he was like, that's yours? I was like, yeah. Is it open? Yeah. I'm gonna tell the sheriff. And he fucking walked over to the sheriff, and the sheriff looked at me, and I just like, fuck it. If you're gonna take me for open beverage site release, then at least I'm gonna have a buzz for the.
Yeah. So did the sheriff try to mess with you?
The sheriff just looked and kind of looked at him like, leave him the fuck alone.
Word.
The sheriff looked at him like, it was one of the ones that talked to us over there. He looked at like.
I seen you walking this way last night. I was putting gas at the corner. I seen you right here last night, man. What's your name, bro?
My name is Alexius.
Alexius? David.
David, nice to meet you.
Um,
You can't be calling me Alexius in these streets. I got it. Alexius don't sound hard, bro. I gotta be hard.
Yeah.
Black.
Yeah.
So if you ever come looking around,
Is there anything that you might need?
socks.
Socks? Okay.
Socks. Socks and a t-shirt.
Tall socks? No, kind of short, like mine maybe.
Yep.
I'm gonna go into Ross and I'm gonna grab you some socks, bro. What size shirt do you wear? Medium, large?
Extra large.
Extra large?
Extra large fits me, but you know, I grew up back in the days when you had the white beater on,
Right,
with
right.
the extra large shirt.
Yeah.
That was your and then you had your shirt, your 2X over,
Yeah.
and you always took your shirt off, so you didn't fuck your shirt up. When you ate, you fucked up your undershirt.
Right.
So, but an extra large for a shirt.
I'm gonna go into Ross really quick. I'm gonna get you a shirt and some socks. I'll be right out. I'll be right back, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Yes, sir. Motherfuckers are expensive. No wonder it's hard to get socks. They're so fucking expensive. Hello.
of bags, unfortunately. So if you would like one, it'll have to be our 99-cent and that one.
I'm gonna give it to the homeless guy out there. He's a veteran, and he's just doing kind of bad. I was talking to him. I feel bad for him. I asked him if he needed anything. He said socks and shirts. What's that? Yeah. Yes. And he admits he has an alcohol problem, you know? It sucks.
Yeah, but they told him to help, you know?
Yeah.
Your total is $18.38. $1.60 is your change. I'll check your receipt at the door. Have a nice day.
You too, thank you. We're gonna go over here and give these to Alexius, my new friend. Some socks and a shirt. I don't know if he's gonna like the cookies shirt, but got you some socks, got you a shirt.
Hey, this is my favorite. Can I ask you for one more favor, bro?
Yeah.
See that smoke shop?
Yeah.
Can you sit here, watch my stuff for a couple minutes?
Yeah.
While I run to the smoke shop, get my cigarettes, and then hit the liquor store and get me a shot.
Let's do it. I'll wait right here.
That way your money ain't going to waste, because they will walk by and snatch it real quick.
Yeah, I'll wait right here, man.
And you didn't buy that for them. You bought it for me.
That's right.
I got my backpack. Okay.
All we could do is try to help people, folks. This man's a veteran. He served this country, and he admits he has an alcohol problem. But even the woman at the store, I don't know if you guys heard, but even she said that it's a shame that we don't take care of our veterans more. And I sat down with him and I spoke with him for a little bit, and see the tears running down his face. And this man has a heart, he has a soul, and he doesn't need to be mistreated. He needs help and love and encouragement. Hey, Alexius.
That's my brother. Good.
Am I good to go?
Thank you.
I gotta take off.
Hey, bro. I appreciate you, bro.
You're welcome.
Drive safe.
Yeah.
We kick it most of the time, me and my brother, right here at this bus stop. So if it's ever, you know what? Let me go check on my boy, because I know he was going through some shit. Let me see if he... Yep, my dad. Look what my dad just told me, dude. Because... Alright. You could read that from that on.
I'm gonna go back down to court again. The school messed up paperwork, so now I gotta go back down. I'm gonna walk to McDonald's, ask for a cup of water, pretend it's a shot vodka instead of going to the store. I'm gonna give you an early birthday present. I'll go to Walmart tomorrow. I'm gonna go to Walmart around 2. I'm trying pop. Water's good. I got your back as long as you keep trying.
So,
Keep your
take
head up,
that
bro.
$3?
Keep your head up, bro. I wish I had more, man.
I ain't going to that. Remember, you said I could go. You get.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go watch.
Hey, keep your head up, bro.
Because
I'll be around.
I'm not gonna lie to my dad. I appreciate it, dog.
Alexius, nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you, bro. My brother.
God brought you over this section today for a reason.
Thank you. With an attitude like that and respecting our rights to be out here recording you guys and asking questions, I hope that you do move up and you start to get your chevrons, man, because that's what we need, man. That's what we need. Cops with good attitudes.